I feel irritable today. I didn't sleep a lot. And now I'm back at work. So that's all I did. Tomorrow, hopefully, Ian and I are going to go meet Miss Amber Benson from BTVS. So that should be fun. It's free! And we get stuff signed. Except I think we have to buy a book, which, I mean, I'll buy it just because. Wednesday into Thursday, we are going to be at Disneyland because they're going to be open for 24 hours for leap year. But today kind of sucks. I didn't sleep a lot. Just feel irritable. And it's not so pretty outside today. It's kind of cloudy. I know it's like, oh, not so bad. No, it started raining on the way to work for like a second. It's supposed to rain today. And then tomorrow it's going to be clear skies again. I don't understand. It was clear skies. It was beautiful yesterday. It was warm. It was like 80 degrees. And now it's like 57, cold, and possibly going to rain. Probably going to rain. Going to come out here and the car is going to be all disgusting and effed up. Even though I just washed it. It's raining. The car's over. I just washed it. Watch this. Didn't even touch it! I can't believe it's raining! Just ruined my car! It ruined my car! I'm angry! Ugh. Stupid rain. So I started to totally fail at doing this every day. My life is not that interesting, and I don't want to keep repeating the same stuff over and over. So I'll just do one for a day for things that, you know, are not the same thing that I do every day. And one of my days that I do nothing, absolutely nothing, where I go to work and then I come home and I do absolutely nothing. I made this because I was bored. It's very warm. It's very nice. It's kind of freckled, like it's got stuff in it. Colors. Anyway, my mom put up some curtains for me while I was gone. Yay! Hopefully that'll keep the cold out tonight because it's cold and it's still raining and I'm still angry about that. Hi, Ralph! No? No? No. Just no. Oh, yeah. So I'm laying here, and I'm staring at my curtains, and I'm like, meh, meh, and I'm like, oh, I should put all my Comic-Con pins all over it. I know, right now my mother is cringing. Well, not right now, because she can't hear me, but she's just like, oh, God, no. What do you think? Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it?